Good morning, class. Good afternoon for some of you guys. As you notice, I am not there today. Another day of training. Gonna see all of you guys tomorrow. So anyway, please pay attention to this video. I'm going to keep it really short and concise. It's what you guys need to do to be successful today. Please be good for the sub. I'm asking for an honest report. And guys, just be respectful. Please be respectful to this today. Anyway, moving on. We are going to be talking about what we're doing. We're working on a static electricity PHET lab. Okay? This is what you do. You're going to take out your notebooks. Again, you should bring those every day. If you don't have them, then take a piece of Cornell note paper or a blank piece of paper, and you can do it on that, and then put it in your notebook later. But it's going on page 41 of your notebook. Okay? I am checking the notebooks tomorrow. Remember how we're doing the random checks? Okay, I'm checking 5 students randomly, just like we addressed before break. I'm going to be checking that tomorrow, so be ready. What you guys are going to do is go to this link, okay? This link. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then you click the play button, and it takes you to this. So you're going to be doing this alongside this, okay? These go together. If you happen to finish this, then what you're going to do is finish your EdPuzzle, because this is period 2. Only 8 people in period 2 finished it, and only 11 people in period 3. Guys, we can do better than this. Definitely, if you're one of the people who hasn't finished that EdPuzzle, make sure you get that done. But anyway, back to here. This is what you do. You're going to take out your notebook and read the questions carefully. I do not want you to copy them down. Again, do not copy them down word for word. Read it and then answer the question in your notebook. Okay? Do not copy the questions themselves down. So, for example, we'll do the first one together. So, it says, take a moment to look at the items in the simulator window. Take a moment to look at the items the simulator window is displaying, which is the balloon, sweater, wall, charges, etc. Let's take a moment to do that. We see the ball, we see the charges. Remember, opposites attract, plus and minus. Opposites always attract. And we see the sweater and the balloon. Okay, cool. That was an easy question. Okay, did that. Now what I'm going to do is draw below in your notebook. I'm going to sketch the charges on the sweater and the balloon in the before box to the left. Then I'm going to rub the balloon on the sweater and watch what happens. And I'm going to draw the charges on both items in the after box to the right. So what this is asking you to do, guys, it says draw below in your notebook. Just read the directions on this assignment and it'll be totally cool. You just draw this. You draw 2 boxes, before and after, and then you draw the pictures. So I draw, this is before. I draw what I see here. Just quickly copy it down. It doesn't need to be that fancy. This is before. And then what happens? You're going to take the balloon and start rubbing it all over the sweater and leave it there. Now look, okay? It's really important that you're drawing the charges. What happens to the charges? What do you guys notice, okay? So do that. And then you'll see after you draw before and after that it'll ask you to do a different one on the third one. Remove the balloon from the sweater and attempt to place it directly in between the sweater and the wall. Do this several times and see what happens. Explain why the balloon is attracted to one item more than the other. I'm not going to tell you the answers, and guys, if you get the answers wrong, I'm totally okay with that. Just do your very best. This is trying to make you guys really think about how electricity might work, and then we're going to explain it more tomorrow and talk about it. Okay, so basically how you be successful on this is you go through question by question, just read it carefully, and then answer it. Okay, you're going back and forth between these, the PHET lab here and the questions here. Put everything in your notebook on page 41, okay? And that basically summarizes everything. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Please be respectful, responsible, and safe, and see you soon.